Mr. Mayor, Council. My name is Kristy. I manage the web services for the City of Reno. I work out of the City Manager's office. You have a complete website report in your packet, but I just wanted to take a brief moment to highlight a couple of the key findings of that report. Especially given the current economic situation and staff reductions, it's important that we all understand the resources that we do have available. I have a few members here of the citywide website committee that were able to make it today behind me, representing the police department and the Parks and Recreation department, very active users on our website. Without the website committee, our website wouldn't be what it is today. We have one staff member from each department is appointed by department heads for the website committee. In addition to that, we have the website program is a very large program. We have about 70 staff members citywide who are responsible for updating and maintaining content on the website. Without them, it would not be possible. Just to give you an overview, the City of Reno website, Reno.gov, is our online portal for users and citizens to access city services and applications offered by all departments online. And in fiscal year 07-08, I realized that all departments were collecting their own data on service usage of their applications and services on the website, but we did not have a comprehensive analysis of all the services. So we collected that data for 07-08, and when that became available for fiscal year 08-09, we put it on top of that, so we had a good comparative analysis of, are people using the website, are they using our services? I feel that you can't make plans for where to go in the future unless you understand where you're at. And it turns out that where we're at is a pretty good place. What we have found that is that when we put services online, people are using them. This graph shows the increase in online services year over year, 07-08 to 08-09. The major services that we're offering online are class registration for Parks and Recreation. Job applications are almost primarily done online. You can pay your parking tickets, file police reports, and submit Reno Direct service requests. And just in the last fiscal year, sewer bill payments came online. So we don't have comparative data for that one, but it's increasing at a substantial rate. Also this year, the Reno Municipal Court put online court payments, so you can pay traffic citations online. This graph shows us the percentage of transactions that people are conducting online versus traditional methods. So for instance, a traditional method would be coming up to the counter or calling in or mailing in a payment. So for instance, in 08-09 for class registrations, 14% of class registrations were conducted completely online through the site, and that's doubled from the previous year, so we're pretty excited about that. You see a substantial increase in all of the online services. Some of the services came online in 07-08, and I reflected that in the report. We don't have that comparative data for sewer bill payments. I get a question a lot, well, what kind of payments are you accepting online? Class registrations, parking tickets, and sewer bills. This is almost a full year of sewer bill data. It's 11 months. We collected over $1 million in transactions online. From what I've heard, the first half of this fiscal year, so just fall 2009, we've already collected over $3 million in sewer bill payments. From what I heard from staff, it looks like we might even collect 40% of sewer bill transactions and payments online during the current fiscal year. Just briefly, I wanted to mention, yes, we are using social media tools. We would be remiss not to. Facebook is the most popular website. I'm sorry, the second most popular website in the world. YouTube is the third most popular website in the world. We're using these tools to drive people back to Reno.gov. We are connecting with people beyond our borders and hopefully some visitors to the city of Reno. All the details about our social media program are included in your report. Just a couple more slides. Wanted to mention the City of Reno website is now mobile. That means that anyone who is using a cell phone can access the Reno.gov site through a specially designed interface. So it loads quicker, it's easier to scroll through, and most importantly for us, our emergency announcements are going to appear first. We just were able to test this last week when we had a power outage. Some phone lines were down at city facilities, and we were able to let people know right there on their phones. Last slide, I just wanted to share with you a few upcoming website enhancements that we're happy about. Now, website features that have the most benefit for our citizens are things such as online payment systems. Well, those come with a price tag. So what we've done for the last fiscal year, as well as our planned enhancements, is we've been pretty creative with existing contracts and working with local partners and agencies for some things that we have planned to implement. One of them is an online service request application for iPhones that we're working with our existing vendor on. So citizens will be able to submit a service request to Reno Direct through their phones. See graffiti, see a pothole, take a picture of it, send it to Reno Direct. The Green Energy Dashboard is an exciting project because that is going to have a special interface on the website where citizens can go and take a look at all the solar and wind and energy savings projects that have been implemented around town and see almost real time the energy savings because of those projects. YourNevada.com is a project I've been working on very closely with Washoe County, also the City of Sparks, the State of Nevada, the Washoe County School District. We meet monthly to talk about website issues. YourNevada.com is an online volunteer database specific for governments. So we're hoping that this meets a need that we currently have, especially with reductions in staff, the need for getting the community out and volunteering to work with the city. We're hoping to launch that sometime very soon, definitely this fiscal year, probably this summer. And then finally, live chat. We're excited to put this live chat feature on our website. It will allow users to actually chat directly with Reno Direct staff through typing on their keyboard in a text chat and get their questions answered without having to call the city. And we're hoping that this alleviates work from departments and staff who have to field calls that come in via people trying to find things on the website and ask other questions. That's my brief presentation. Please let me know if you have any questions. Also, if you have any specific direction with regard to services on the website.